I'm sure you've heard the news. Climate change is a big deal, but did you know nature might be our secret weapon? Nature-based solutions, or NBS, use natural processes to fight climate change. Imagine planting trees to capture carbon, restoring wetlands to filter water, or creating green spaces in cities to clean the air. These actions don't just sound good. They're designed using scientific knowledge and involve local communities to ensure they really work. NBS are like nature's toolkit for reducing greenhouse gases and making our world more resilient to climate risks. By working with nature, we're tackling environmental, social, and economic challenges all at once. It's a triple win. So next time you see a new park or a reforestation project, remember, it's not just pretty, it's powerful. Let's embrace nature's solutions and build a greener, more sustainable future together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on saving our planet.